Welcome to Foundation Dental Specialists, where healthy, confident smiles begin. For over 50 years, we built a trusted legacy of excellence, compassion, and advanced dental care right here in Pasadena. Our practice was founded by renowned specialists Dr. Alan Charles and Dr. Wilson Morishita, driven by a vision to deliver world-class periodontal care. Today, we proudly continue that tradition, offering top-tier periodontal and endodontic specialty services all under one roof.
What makes us unique is our commitment to personalized care. Each patient is treated with the same dedication and respect we'd want for ourselves. We understand that a visit to the dentist can be daunting, and we're here to make it as comfortable as possible.
We take pride in our compassionate, patient-centered approach. We want every patient to feel heard, respected, and supported throughout their treatment journey.
We use advanced technology to deliver the highest level of care. From CBCT scans to laser therapy and digital scanning, we're equipped with the latest tools to make treatments more accurate, efficient, and comfortable. This technology isn't just about staying up to date. It's about providing a better experience for you. Each piece of equipment allows us to diagnose with precision and treat with care, so you can trust you're getting the best possible results.
Since 1974, the practice has had the privilege of caring for generations of families. Many of our patients have been with us for decades, and we're honored to be a trusted part of their oral health journey.
Building strong, lasting relationships is at the heart of what we do. We're here to support your oral health for life, whether it's through preservation of natural teeth or dental implants when needed.
At Foundation Dental Specialists, we're more than just a dental practice. We're your partners in achieving a healthy, confident smile.
Contact us today and discover why Foundation Dental Specialists is a choice for generations of families in Pasadena and the San Gabriel Valley. Strong smiles start here.